Unit 1 practice. Let's review our sounds. A apple, a. E egg, e. I itch, I. O octopus, a. U up, CH chin, ch. TH thumb, SH ship, sh. Okay, we're going to go across with our sounds. Try and say the sound before I do. E. D. A. Qu. Sh. I. Ch. G. A. B. Now I'm going to go down the columns. Try and say the sound before I do. E. Sh. A. D. I. A. Ch. A. Qu. G. B. At any time you want to come back to practice these sounds, it's important to be able to say your sounds quickly so that you can read words more efficiently. We're going to practice. Going to practice some word chaining. There we go. Okay, so we're going to start with this word. This word says, yes, 6. Now I'm going to change a sound. Now my word is, yes, sit. Which sound did I change? I changed the last sound from x to t, to go from 6 to sit. Now my word is, yes, kit. Which sound did I change? I changed the first sound from s to k. So I have the word kit. Now I have the word, yes, Kim. Oh, and I did not plan for this. So, hold on, friends. I'm just going to slide Kim over so that I can add a word at the beginning. Now my word is, yes, skim. Now my word is, yes, skin. Now my word is, yes, skip. How about now? What's my word? Yes, slip. But if I change this sound, now my word is, yes, flip. How about now? What's my word? Yes, lip. What about now? My word is, yes, clip. Let's take a look at these two phrases. If you need to pause the video so that you can practice them on your own first, go ahead and do that, because we're going to go over them together. Okay, word by word. First word, yes, 6. Next word, sight word, of. Next word, yes, 10. And last word. Now this word here, I notice that there's a suffix s. So I can read the base word cat, and then read the word with the suffix s, cats. Okay, let's read the whole phrase. Ready? 6 of 10 cats. Let's turn our attention to the next phrase. If you need to pause the video so that you can read it on your own, go ahead and do that now. We're going to go over the second phrase. First word, yes, a or a. Next word, yes, box. Next word, yes, on. Next word, a or a. And last word, yes, desk. Let's read the phrase together. A box on a desk. Okay, it is time to write some words. We're going to start with the word next. say next. Tap next. Next. There are 4 sounds in next. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. Next. Next. Spell next. N-E-X-T. Next. Let's look at the next word. Say kept. Tap kept. Kept. There are 4 sounds in kept. Now I hear the k sound at the beginning of the word. Well, my vowel is so when I have an E or an I as my vowel, I have an E here. I'm going to use the K at the beginning. So kept. Spell kept. K-E-P-T. Our next word is milk. Say milk. Tap milk. Milk. There are 4 sounds in milk. Let's write the letters. Milk. And we notice a k sound here. There's an I as the vowel, so we're going to use the k sound for K. Spell milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. The next word is mask. Mask. Say mask. Tap mask. Mask. There are 4 sounds in mask. Let's say the sounds as we write the letters. Ask. Okay, and typically when we are writing words and we have a 1-syllable word, a 1-syllable word is not typically going to end with a C. Typically we have different syllables that may be nonsense words if they're by themselves that end with a C, but typically our words are not going to end with a C. So we have a K at the end of this word. Spell mask. M-A-S-K. Okay, say skip. Tap skip. Skip. There are 4 sounds in skip. Let's write the letters for the sounds. Sk. So there's that k sound, and I have an I. Just like I had an I or an E up in the word above. Skip. Spell skip. S-K-I-P. Okay, let's start at the top and read the words as we go down. Word. Yes, next. Word. Yes, kept. Word. Yes, milk. Word. Yes, mask. Word. Yes, skip. Let's go back up. Ready? Word. 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 Awesome job reading, friends. Now it's time to write some phrases. The first phrase we're going to write says, gift in a box. How many words are in our phrase? Gift in a box. Gift in a box. 4. We have 4 words. Now is the time to pause the video so that you can write the phrase on your own. Or, if you're super speedy, we can get started right away in looking at it together. So, gift. Sounds in gift. Gift. And we do not need an uppercase letter. This is not a sentence. This is just a phrase. So we have our first word, gift, finger space. Sounds in, a or a, and another finger space. Sounds in box. Box. Okay, let's read it together. Gift in a box. Our next phrase is soft skin. Sounds in, how many words in our phrase? Soft skin. We have 2 words. If you need to pause the video to write your phrase, go ahead and pause it now. Otherwise, we're going to go over it. Sounds in soft, soft, and our finger space. sounds in skin. Sk, in. And we used a K here because there's an I as the vowel. Let's read it together. Ready? Soft skin. Good work, friends. We'll see you next time.